Hello, my name is Omer Ozturk and I will be introducing backtracking to my friends. Backtracking is a process that mathematicians use to find the value of a polynomial. A polynomial is something like x. These x's represent a unknown value. This is the aim of backtracking. And in backtracking, we do the opposite things in the opposite process. Instead of plusing, we minus. Instead of minusing, we plus. Instead of we divide, we times. And instead of times, we divide. Now, here will be the first equation. 5x plus 3 is equal to 23. Now, we can tell this is an equation by seeing that it is equal to a number. Okay, now we first do 23 minus 3. We do this first because the 3 is the latest thing done in the equation. So, like I said, we have to do the opposite. So, minus 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. Now, that 20 we bring down here. So, 20 divided by 5. That 5 comes from here. Now, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Like I said, we divide because it's the opposite of timesing. So this leaves nothing included, so that means that x is equal to 4. Now let's replace x with 4. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. This proves that the equation is correct. Now let's move on to a much more difficult equation. 3x plus 6 divided by 7 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, first we put a 0 here and plus by 3 because it is the opposite of minusing. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. In the second step, we place the 3 here and times by 7, as we know that it is the opposite of dividing by 7. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 21 minus 6. We do this because it is the opposite of plusing 6. So 21 minus 6 is equal to 15. We move the 15 here, and then we divide by 3. We do this because it's the opposite of timesing. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. This means that x is equal to 5. Now let's replace the x and use 5 to see if the equation is correct. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. 21 we divide by 7. This is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. This proves that the equation is correct. Now, let's see what we did here. This is what we used to backtrack. And this is to see if the equation is correct. And as you can see, the equation is correct. Thank you for listening to my mass assessment by Omer Ozturk.